Any pain in your neck or chest?
I can hear you, just my chest a bit tight.
Stay still for me. We're going to get you out safely.
Okay.
Ma'am, how's your breathing? Any dizziness?
Sir, can you hear me? I'm going to keep this collar around your neck, all right? Just try not to move.
I have gauze ready if there's any bleeding.
Copy. Pulse is strong. We're going to get you on a board in a minute.
Stay back, hold your lane.
Copy. Set the stretcher up here.
Airbags are out. Passengers conscious.
There too.
Yeah, bring a bottle.
Stretcher's ready.